Yeah, Rashmi, you can begin now.
Yes, sir.
Just wait for some students, some more students.
It's okay, sir. We can. We are doing the recording as well on. We are hosting it on a YouTube as well. We can begin.
No, it's like interactive session, sir. That's what at
Okay.
least.
That's a point. That's a point. Meghna, you are there? Meghna Nagraj?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, Meghna Nagraj, congratulations for becoming a weekly mentor for the first time in the BK.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah. How's your till now experience, Meghna, in BK?
Yeah, sir. Good. I learned so much of things.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Okay.
like
So you have been briefed regarding the roles and responsibilities as a weekly mentor, right?
yeah, sir.
Okay, good.
I think we can begin it, sir.
No, Sindhu, just I'm waiting for another 2 minutes. Then after that, I will be
Okay, sir.
waiting for some more students to join.
Like Ganika is joining, right?
Yeah, she is, I think. I texted once.
Sindhu, Rashmi, Tejaswini, you can inform others also. If they
Yes,
wish to
sir.
join, within 2 minutes they can join.
Yes, sir, we are messaging, we are informing.
Kanijashri, make like Niranjan Prasad, you can inform.
Yes, sir. They have joined, sir. Like we need to invite like Lokesh J. I think so.
Have put a message in a group. Once I'll say that. Like,
Yes,
we
yes.
can put in a coordinators group.
Karthi sir, it's getting late now. We should start.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I'm checking how many are there to interact. Like Meghna is there, Vamshika is there, Kanijashri, and who is that Lenovo?
It's okay. It's okay. Those who are doing late, it's okay. No problem. We are having students here. Khanija Shri is also logged in. Yeah, we have students here. Those who are doing delayed, it's okay. Let them join later. Vamshika
Yes,
is.
sir. Anyone, like, if we are recording it, we can share it later as well in YouTube, sir.
Yeah. No, we are doing it live itself also.
Okay, sir.
Karthi sir, we can begin now.
Okay. Hello guys, I am Karthik from Team Sukshmas. Today I'm going to discuss about the Java aptitude session. Okay, it would be helpful for your interview session also, and also I'm trying to explain how to form a quiz question, how to post it on Sukshmas. You already know about how to post the questions on Sukshmas platform. You just try to know how we can form the quiz question. Okay, we'll begin with the first PPT, first question. Rashmi, you can move for the first PPT, first question.
Yes, sir.
Hello guys, is this visible for everyone? This slide.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here I'm taking the class name as Sukshmas. Here I have a instance variable k. I'm initialized with the value 10. Here I'm having the main method consisting of modifier final also, final public static void main strings of argument. And here I'm trying to print the value of k. Can anyone explain? Can anyone predict what is the output
Those
of
who want
this
to
code?
answer, they can raise their hand, or they can directly unmute themselves and they can answer. Those who want to answer, Sindhu, just please announce.
Okay, sir. Like if any of them raise their hands, like you can answer it by raising your hands if you know the answers.
Even we have made them to allow, like, unmute themselves. They can unmute themselves and they can begin the answer. Yeah, Karthik sir, you can start.
Can anyone predict an output of this?
Lokesh, you are there?
Lokesh, Kanijashri, Meghna, Niranjan Prasad, Prajwal, Shashank. You can unmute. You can start interacting.
Shashank, you should answer this question. Shashank. Shashank, you can answer.
Hello.
Hi, anyone can answer, guys. You can interact with me. All of you can unmute once. You can interact with me. Hello.
Ten will be the answer, sir.
Sorry.
10, sir. 10 will be printed.
10 will be printed. Any other answer?
Sir, error baratte sir.
Error. Okay, fine. Any other answer? Who told this answer? Error. Shashank, ನೀವ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Prajwal, sir. Prajwal.
Prajwal.
Yes, sir.
Prajwal, can you explain why this error?
Sir, ನಾವು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Yes.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆ ನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Yes, correct. Prajwal answer is correct. See, what we are doing here is we are declared and initialize the value for the variable called 10. This is we call it as instance variable. Correct, Prajwal? This variable we call it as an instance variable. We are trying to print the value of k inside the main method. So inside a static method, we are unable to access the instance variable directly. So this is the one reason you are getting the compile time error over here. Got it, everyone? So inside a static method, we are unable to access the instance variable directly. So that is the reason you are getting the compile time error. Fine. So one more question I can ask here. Okay. Instance variable is there. Where it will be stored? Instance variable. Anyone can answer? Where instance variable will be stored?
Heap memory.
Who has answer? So is correct. Answer is correct. Instance variable stored in a heap memory. You got the point? So in a simple quiz question only, how we can form n number of questions, right? I can go with I can concentrate on memory areas. I can concentrate on predict an output of the code, correct? So in the same way, while you are forming any questions, okay, try to write your own class name, okay, in system.out.println, and whatever you want to print, you can print it. Try to use your own codes, fine. So you just listen in this, just observe this slide. By using the same program, I can create a n number of quiz question. How I can form the quiz question? Let's move for the next slide, Rashmi. See, by using the same question, I can prepare the just a one-word answer quiz. So what is the one-word answer? I can say memory area or storage area for the instance variable k. What is the memory options here? heap, stack, method area as well as register. What is the correct answer? Heap. In this way, each and every one student, you have to form the quiz question. Are you getting the point? In a very simple lines, in 2 lines, 3 lines only, we can form the n number of quiz. So in the same, using the same question, I can form the one more quiz. You can go with the next slide, Rashmi.
Yes, sir.
By using the same old question, I'm forming the one technical quiz question followed by the 4 options. Just observe here what my options are. Compilation fails at line 4, compilation fails at line 6, and output is one more, third option is 10, another option is 0. And what is the correct answer here? Compilation fails at line 6. Why? Because in the comment section, you have to provide the detailed description about this form. Okay, why compilation fails at line 6? Okay, we are unable to access the instance variable inside the static method. So that is the reason we are getting the compile time error. In the detailed description, you guys can provide in the comment section. It will be helpful for the other students also for the knowledge purpose. Are you getting my point?
If you have any doubts, you can come up with the doubts as well.
If you're having any
Sir
doubts, you
will
can ask
clear.
me the doubt.
Yeah,
Like
sir will
be
clear you.
interactive, everyone. Like be interactive. Any issues, like any queries you have, you can ask and you can clear it.
Anyone having the doubt? Or shall I move for the next one?
Sir, how to overcome from this, like printing K and all.
We can execute this code. Okay, Rashmi.
Yes, sir. Sure.
See, just seeing this code. Int k is equal to 10. I am trying to print the value of k. See, just observe the error. You are getting the compile time error, right? Okay. You can click on the non-static variable k cannot be referred from the static context. Correct. This is what the compile time error you are getting. Fine. So if we want to overcome this difficulty, okay. So how can I anyhow instance variable unable to access? How I can access the instance variable? So Rashmi, try to create an object inside the Sukshma. Inside this one, public static void main.
Sukshmas, yes, you can create like that. Sukshmas is equal to Sukshmas.
Yes, you can create. And here, how we can access instance variable by using the reference called yes inside the system.out.println. You can use yes dot k.
Yes dot k, yeah.
So now try to run this code now.
Yeah,
So
it
in this
explained
way,
in no time.
yes, in this way you can get the proper output. See, or else you can directly use the static variable in the class level. Static int k is equal to 10. So static int k is equal to 10. So in this way, you can access the static variable inside the static method. What is the rules is? So inside the static method, you can access the static variable. This is what the conclusion. And if you want to access the instance variable inside this public static void main, so try to create an object for the class. With the help of the reference, you can access the instance variable of the class. See, everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Shall we move for the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
So this is the program 2. Just observe this program 2 carefully. So here I'm using the instance variable. Here I'm using the local variables. I have two methods here. Void add. This is a parameterized method. Another one is another method I'm using display. I'm trying to display the value of k. Okay, this is the first class. On this inside this class I'm using the public static void main. Here I'm created an object for the Sukshmas 1. Okay, So using that reference, I'm calling the add method, and also I'm passing the value called 20. That will be storing for the local variable k, and then it is assigned for the instance variable called the k. Okay. And if I trying to call the method called display, so inside the display we are trying to print the value of k. Okay. Analyze this code. Can anyone predict an output of this code?
20 is displayed, sir.
20 will be displayed.
Because this dot variable has to be used to print the previous value 10.
Okay. Now I'm talking about in this code. What is your output?
20.
20 will be the output. What
Sir,
do you say, Rajwal? Shashank?
Error ಬರುತ್ತೆ sir.
Error?
Yes sir.
Sure. Okay. Any other answer from anyone? What, Niranjan Prasad? What's your answer? Lokesh? What, Prajwal and Shashank? Error, na? Confirm?
Yes sir.
K equal to K.
This dot k ಆ ತರ.
Okay, fine. So, Rashmi,
Yes, sir.
you can go for it. Code. See, just observe this code properly. There is no compile time error, correct? Huh? There is no compile time error. Try to run this code now. So, what is an output? 10. Someone has told, right? 20.
Yes, sir.
Shashank? Shashank and Prajwal?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
Got it?
got it.
Ask me. See, what will happen here? First, the value will be 20 will be stored in the local variable called k. Then it is assigned for the instance variable. Anyhow, after this, the control is coming out of it, right? After that, I'm calling the display. What is the value stored in here? Okay, what is the value or initial value assigned for the instance variable? Correct? The 10. 10 will be displayed. And if you yes, if you want to display, see, anyhow 20 is passed into the local variable, then assigned for the instance variable. If you want to print, if you want to get an output of 20 only, so you can do the one more alteration in this code. So Rashmi, you can add this dot k inside the method add.
Yes, sir.
Internet class.
Inside the method, this dot k, not 20, you can pass it.
Okay, sir.
Void add.
Void add inside the method void add you can
Void add.
you can readily
Here
Inside
k is equal to k.
not there
Yes.
inside the
K
block.
is equal to k.
Yeah.
This dot k is equal to k.
Like in this, you are telling, sir, in display.
No, add
No,
inside
void
add
add.
method.
Void add.
This
Add
dot
method.
k is equal to k.
Yeah, k is equal to k. They have referred it right there. This dot k is equal to k.
Run this code.
Yes, it is 20.
Now you're getting the value of 20.
Yes, sir.
See, so using the same question, we can also create the one single line question also, as well as the quiz question also. Just let's move for the PPT presentation.
Yes, sir.
See, by using the same code snippet, I can create the number of quiz question. What's my first quiz question? What's the memory area storage for the reference variable called s in this code? Correct, na? Sukshmas s is equal to new sukshma. So s is a reference variable. So here the options are a heap, stack, method area, as well as the register. So where is the reference variable will be stored always? In the stack memory area. Correct, na? So in this way, I can create a simple quiz question. Okay. In the same way, see, just go for the next quiz question. See, by using the same code, I can create a number of options here. See, option 1 is 10, option 2 is 20, 3 is 0, and 4 is a null. So what is the correct answer in this code? This is the 10 is the right answer. So in this way, by using the simple code snippet, by using the simple code also, you can create a number of quiz questions. So in this way, you try to do attempt sincerely and try to post the quiz question on the Sukshma's platform. Try to create your self-made quiz question. This is what a sincere request from our team. Okay, don't do copy and paste the things. Try to sit in front of the system. Try to analyze the concept. Okay, try to form your new quiz question or one-word questions or a quiz-based question like code-based questions. You can post it on the Sukshma's platform. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the Sukshmas, what I observed recently, each and everyone are more focusing on just a single word. So what is stack, what is heap, what is variable, like that question you are posting. And try to focus on the technical questions, technical coding content at least. That definitely it will help your knowledge also. Kindly concentrate on the coding part little bit.
In this, I want to add, Karthik sir, like you guys need not to go on a very complex logical questions, technical questions. It's not like that. Whatever there is there in your academics, you can use that portion of the course itself only. You need not to go and browse in the internet and go for a very logical and technical and difficult questions. Not like that. Whatever you are using in your day-to-day, like either in your lab or either in your theory, whatever the codes you have, from there itself only you can form the questions. And in this session, anyway, sir will help you out to guide like how to create a question, how to create a quiz question out of a program. So just it will like you just focus on that way. So try to relate your academics as well the activity what you need to do here. Yeah, yeah, Karthik, so you can
So
continue.
if you are in the first year, you already start studying the C. If you are
Yeah,
second
C
year,
is
also
there in the
Java
first year
started.
only, correct.
C++ is also studying. Java is there. Python is there. Database is there. Correct? Huh? So using the same only, you can try to form your own technical quiz question. Okay, try to focus on a little bit of coding part. Okay, Rashmi, move
Yes,
for
sir.
the next question.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Just observe the program 3, and here public class Sukshmas 2, public static void main. Here the two local variables are there. Int I is equal to 10, and with a semicolon int j. Here I'm trying using the if condition. If I is equal to 10, then 20 will be initialized with a j. And now I'm trying to print the value of j. And what is an output of this code? Anyone can answer it?
Error ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
What's the
Error.
answer? Prajwal?
Shashank.
Prajwal or
No,
Shashank?
sir. 20,
Shashank.
sir.
20.
20.
Okay. Shashank is saying it's an error. Kanijashri is saying 20. Any other answer?
Error, sir.
20, sir.
20.
Error, sir.
Static variables are declared within the main.
What do you say, Omshika?
Initialize.
Error, sir.
Error.
Sir, garbage value.
Garbage value. Okay, fine. Any other answer from anyone?
I variable final ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ error ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay, fine. We'll discuss it. So the answer for this question is a compile time error. Compile time error. Like you can go with the run the code. Rashmi, you can run the code one. I just explain. See, just observe here. Don't run.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, just observe the error here in the 13th line. 13th line. You can point a cursor. 13th line. 13th line. And the error message. Error. Yes. So what is showing? Variable j might not have been initialized.
Variable should be initialized.
Yes. So that's the reason you should initialize the variable there. That's the first option. Int j is equal to 0. You can know it, Rashmi, in the line
Yes,
7.
sir. Okay, sir.
Int j is equal to 0. See, you should be initialized. If you initialize like this, then I value is 10. 10 equal to 10, true. Then 20 will be assigned for the j, and it will print the value of 20. Run the code. So now we're getting the value of 20.
Yes, sir.
Prajwal is also suggesting one more. Rashmi, try to final int j end with a semicolon. It's line number 7. Line number 7.
Yes, sir.
Final int I.
Okay. I value we are doing now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can do it. Final int I, then int j just int j.
Yes, sir.
See, in this way also you can get the output. Then you should make the final keyword, at least you should apply for the variable called I. This is the another alternative way. You can get the output of 20. See, by using the simple concept, this is very simple concept of local variables only, correct? This is very simple concept of local variables. By using the local variable concept only, you can frame the quiz question.
No,
And
sir
you can
has
give the
with
answer like,
so many. Yes, continue, sir. Continue, sir. Sorry.
by using the simple concept only, you can frame the quiz question. Okay, so I can provide the number of options here. I can provide the options of 0. I can provide the options of 20, compile time error, runtime error. See, by using the simple question, only variable if condition, then the simple sort of statement. System.out.println, I'm trying to print the value of j. By using the simple questions only, I can frame the a number of questions. Fine, you got it. How to frame the quiz question by using this simple concept. You can move for the next question.
Yes, sir.
This is the good question. Okay, this is a program 4. Here I'm having the two classes. One is class Sukshmas, another one the class we call it as static variable. And here I have declared the static variable here, static int I is equal to 10. Another one is an instance variable, int j is equal to 10. Here I have a method void m1. Inside I'm declaring the initializing the static variable int static int k is equal to 10. I'm trying to print the value of m1a and trying to print the value of this start I as well as the I, both belongs to the static variable only. And also I'm trying to print the value of k. K is a static variable. And here in the second class, creating an object for the Sukshmas, I'm trying to print the value of a dot I. By using the reference, I'm trying to access the static variable. And another one is another statement by using the class name, I'm accessing the static variable. So I just go for it. Anyone can explain and what's the output of this code or where exactly error will be encountered. First, you can answer it inside the public static void domain in the first sort statement. So created the object for the Sukshmas. Using this object, I'm trying to print the accessing the static variable. The first sort statement. Anyone can answer it inside the public domain. Created an object for the Sukshmas. By using the reference, I'm trying to access the static variable of I. What do you say,
First
Prujwal?
SOP will be printed now.
First SOP value, what's the value will be printed?
10.
10, sure. Everyone will agree. 10 value will be
Yes,
printed.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because inside static method, we can access static
You can-
variable. Correct. This is the simple rule. Correct. So that is the reason I'm using the reference. I'm accessing that one. In this way also, we can access. Another way is by using the class name also, I can access the static variable. Correct. Huh?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's the reason using the class name. Sukshmas is a class name dot followed by the I. Correct. 10 will be printed. Correct. Then after
Yes.
that, what I'm doing here by using the reference, I'm calling the method called m1. So control will reaches the m1 method. Correct. So inside, can anyone analyze what exactly happens inside the method called m1?
K is
What kind
assigned.
of output will be displayed? This start I, then k. Anyone can answer it?
Dot.
Start times 10.
This dot I is not.
Using the this keyword, I'm trying to access the static variable.
It's valid. This dot and I.
Then what kind of output will be displayed? I am using the like for system.out.println. Correct? Huh? Anyhow, m1 definitely that will be displayed on the screen. Correct. Or else you will getting the all the values properly, or else any error will be encountered in this program.
System.out.println of I make it error.
that
Third,
out.
third printer line.
Third printer line will get the error. Okay, fine. Any other answer from Shashank, Rajwal, and Nida, Vamshika, Anijashri, Meghna, Niranjan Prasad, Hemant, Nida? Any confusion, guys? What result? What's an output, Shashank? Okay, Rashmi,
Yes, sir.
try to run the code first.
Sure.
Just observe this code properly. Okay. First, anyhow, inside the second class, a.I, definitely I value will be printed. Okay. So inside the main method, inside the M1 method, try to open that command. Rashmi, first line, ninth line, line 9.
Yes, sir.
See, if you are trying to declare a static variable inside an ordinary method, you will get the compile time error.
Method should be static.
Okay, so inside an ordinary method, if you are trying to declare a static variable with the initialization also I'm doing inside, so here you will get the compile time error. Okay, so you can comment, Rashmi, that line. The first one is a comment. Okay, comment. There's a compile time error. Please leave it. So next one, using the this dot I am accessing the static variable. Okay, run, Rashmi. In this way also it's possible. Run this code.
Yes, sir.
See the first 10 and 10 inside a method M1. So we are accessing this dot I. Okay, as well as the directly we are accessing the static variable I. Okay, inside an ordinary method also, if you wish to access any static variable with the help of this keyword also, I can access the static variable. I can print the static variable. Got it? Rashmi, close the output.
Yes, sir.
So this is the first one. So next one, coming back to the class called static variable in the line 16. Okay, here one more code is here. Prajwal, can you anyone like predict an output of this one? You can uncomment like 27th line, Rashmi, 27. See now, I created the one more reference called A1. Sukshmas 3, A1 is equal to null, end with a semicolon. So using the reference, I'm accessing the J. J is the instance variable which is present in the Sukshmas 3. Another one is I. I is a static variable which is present in the Sukshmas 3. Now, can anyone predict?
Memory is not allocated for that instance variable, right, sir?
No, memory will be allocated for the instance variable in the heap.
Sir, some garbage value will be printed as A1 object is not created for that class.
No, I just created the reference. I'm initializing the null to that. By using the reference, I'm trying to accessing the instance variable which is present in the Sukshmas 3 as well as the static variable present in the Sukshmas 3. Try to run this code. Now, anyone? Predict an output? No. Run the code.
Yes, sir.
See what will happen if you are assigning the null for the reference. Using the reference, if you are trying to access the static variable and the instance variable, you will get the runtime error called null pointer exception. Okay, got it? This is also one of the interviews question. Once you are assigned a null for any reference, using the reference, if you are trying to accessing the variables which is present in the different class, okay, in this code I'm talking about, you will get the runtime error, not the compile time error. You will get the runtime error called null pointer exception. Let me close the output. So comment the 26th line, 26, 27 also, 26 also you can comment it, 26. Now you can uncomment the 24th line. what will happen here? Here also we're getting the compile time error. Why? Can
Static.
anyone explain now? So I is a static variable, correct? Huh?
Object reference model.
Yes. So how we can access this one?
A dot I.
A dot I, in this way we can access it. So unable to access the variable directly. Why? Because it's a static variable. See, by using these, just observe, I'm just framing the question only based on the variable, correct? Huh? Only based on the variable I'm forming the questions. What are the variable I'm using? Local variable, instance variable, static variable. Only using the variable concept only we can frame the n number of questions. So in this way you have to set, okay, you have to work on it, then you can start posting on the Sushma's platform. Definitely in this way, definitely you will get n number of knowledge. So your knowledge level definitely slowly it will be increases for you. Got it? Most of them are not interacting only, especially Lokesh, Meghna, Nida. Okay. Niranjan Prasad. Niranjan Prasad, you already studied Java, right? Okay. Rashmi, just move for the next question.
Yes, sir.
This is also a very important question. Okay, program 5. Now, can anyone predict an output of this code? Can anyone predict an output?
Compile time error.
Compile time error. Which
Because
line?
in main function, instance of an variable is not created in calling m1 function.
M1 is a static method here, so that is the reason with the help of class name only I can call, right? Sukshma spy is a class name dot m1. I can call the static method with the help of class name only. No need to create an object to call a static method, correct? That is the reason I've called that one. So there is no error there.
No error.
M1 minus
so here I'm talking about inside a M1. So we'll get the value of J,
Yes,
I,
sir. We'll get the value of
this
I.
dot J, and A dot I also will be printed. So what is J
Yes,
value
sir,
is 20, then I value is, everything will be printed.
Yes, sir.
What do you say, Shashank and Prajwal?
execute ಆಗುತ್ತೆ sir.
All the values will be printed.
ಐ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸ್ತು.
Really?
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್, ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
No, you guys are forgotten rule only, it seems. Correct? Huh? So inside a static method, is it possible to access the instance variable directly?
No, sir. With reference of an
Sir, indentation maintain ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕೋಡ್.
Sorry?
ಕೋಡ್ indentation ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Like open floor.
Confuse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು.
No. Only 4 lines ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. That's more than sufficient. ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. A variable with the values as well as the inside the statement of M1. That is more than sufficient. Okay, Rashmi, we'll just try to go for the program 5.
Yes, sir.
Just observe here the code. You can uncomment line 9 as well as line 10. See, just observe this code. So anyhow, J you can access. Why? Because you are accessing the static variable. Correct? Inside the static method, we can access the static variable directly. So J, there is no issue. correct? In the line number 9, correct? Inside a static method, we are trying to accessing the instance variable, correct? This is not possible, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is not possible. That is the reason you are getting the compile time error. And also, this is one more point you should remember. See, just inside a static method, I can access the static variable. That is true, correct? But using this keyword, I'm trying to access the variable called j. In this case, it is not possible. In line number 10th, I'm talking about. You can directly print a value of j if you're using this keyword associated with that value variable j. In this case, you will get the compile time error. Okay, don't use this keyword associated with the j inside the static method if you are trying to accessing the static variable present in the Sukshma Spy class. Okay, and try to comment line number 9 and 10.
Yes, sir.
9 and 10. See, inside a static method, I only told like I was unable to accessing the instance variable of the class. Inside a static method, if I want to access the instance variable of the class, so that is one more options are there. First, I have to create an object for the Sukshma Spy inside the static method. Just observe the line number 11. I'm creating the object called a reference called a. I'm trying to create an object of the Sukshma Spy. So using the reference of a, I'm trying to accessing the instance variable I inside the static method. Run this code, Rashmi.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Like where it is connected.
It's not visible, Rashmi.
Yes, sir. Like it is some internet issue, so it is loading. Yes, sir. Now it is visible, right, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, close the output screen.
Yes, sir.
So, got it, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will ask you the very simple question. Okay. So anyone can answer it. Where the local variable will be stored, Shashank?
It is not connected, I think.
Where local variable will be stored? Stack ಅಲ್ಲಿ local variable ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ stack ಅಲ್ಲಿ store ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Instance variable?
ಅದು heap ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Instance variable heap. Okay. Okay. Method invocations, method ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಕ್ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, m1 m2 ಎನಿ ಆಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್
ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Are you getting the point? So by using only variables and method only, we can form a number of questions. So this is all the most frequently asking interviews questions. Java. This is completely Java aptitude questions. So many companies are asking like this code in the Java aptitude sessions. Okay. Anyone having any doubts so that I can clear it? Many of them are not interacting only. Got it? Kanijashri, Nida, Shashank, Prajwal, Omshika, Danika, Lokesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Karthik, sir?
Yes, sir.
Shall we begin review? Thank you. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Karthik, sir. Thank you for the very nice session. I think definitely it will be helpful for the students. Rashmi, we can begin the review now.
Okay, sir.
So in future also we are trying to conduct like this session.
Rashmi,
We will do the announcement also.
Yeah.
We will do the announcement. You can join the session. Okay. Review as well as the quiz question also we are trying to explain. Okay. In future also we will do the announcement in parallelly. Okay. Okay. Okay, Rashmi, can continue.
Okay, sir.
Lokesh, you are there? Lokesh?
Sir, sir.
Yeah, Lokesh,
Hello.
congratulations for becoming a weekly mentor today.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So Lokesh and Meghna Nagraj and Ganika and
Hello.
Niranjan Prasad and Khanija
Yes.
Shri and Vamashika. So we are now beginning the review session. So you all guys just observe the things what we are taking care and how we are doing the review. What are the points we are considering when we are giving quality bonus and when we are appreciating them. And at any point of time, if while reviewing any answer or a post, if you have any points to discuss or share, just feel free to come up. Okay. Yeah. Rashmi, you can
Yes, sir.
begin.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Like, coming to the recent quiz question, this thing comment done by Khanija Shri. Okay. And the question posted by Teja AP. The circuit used to store 1 bit of data is known as, and it's of the computer organization topic. Okay, the circuit used to store 1 bit of data. It is known as either the register, encoder, decoder, or the flip-flop. Coming to the comment section, like Rakshita Adiga, she has given the answer like option D, flip-flops. These are the fundamental building blocks of digital electronic system used in computer. It is classified into 4 types, that is D flip-flop, T flip-flop, yes sir, and JK flip-flop. Mainly flip-flop is a clock controlled. Yeah, Sindhu.
No, I didn't disturb you. You can continue, Tejas.
Yeah, Sindhu. Mainly flip-flop is a clock control memory device. It has no clock input and output states are responsible for data input. Yeah, she has given the quite sufficient information, right, Rakshita Adiga?
Yeah, it's better. We can check with other options to compare it. Like which
Yeah,
one is.
like can we appreciate Rakshita Adiga here?
Yeah, you can appreciate.
Like, yeah, I can have appreciated Rakshita Adiga here. Coming to next comment of flip-flop, this thing, Khanija Shri's comment, flip-flop is answer. It store either binary numbers, that is 0 or 1. Okay. Yeah, only this much of information she has given. And next, Khanija Shri's comment, flip-flop is answer. It store binary number 0 or 1. Like, due to the this thing, internet issue might be her answer is posted 4 times, right?
Yeah, I think it may be due
Yes.
to the internet issue. We can delete it all.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Just open it again, maybe. Open it again. Close the question and open again, Tejaswini.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Close the question and open again. It may be deleted. I think your internet is having issue. Close it. Click on filter again.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Not this one.
Yes. Yeah, like yeah, we were reviewing this particular question. Yes, it's not Banu PK, sorry.
No, it's fine. First see, I think it's a first one or second one.
Yes, sir, it is Khanija Shri's comments, sir.
Just go up. Okay. Oh, yeah, one you need to delete. Yeah, two you need to
yes,
delete. Only one. It's deleted, I think. Just
Okay,
close it. Yeah. One you need to keep.
Yes, sir. One I've left it, sir. One I've left it. Like another 2 are there, no, sir.
Okay. Okay. It's like that. Okay.
Yes, Banu PK's comment is like, yes, option B is the answer. The electronic circuit used to store 1 bit of data is called as an encoder. Okay. She has also only mentioned this thing answer only, right? Like
Yes.
no any extra
information she has been given.
know any other extra information? Can we ignore this particular and move on?
Yes, yes.
Since Kanichishri's another comment is not deleting, I'll mark on this as favorite, and later on I'll check it whether it's deleted or not.
Okay.
Yes, this is also reviewed. And next, coming to Rakshita Adiga's comment.
Rashmi, I believe Tejaswini's system is like network is bit slow. You can take over today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, then we can like Tejaswini.
Yeah, Rashmi, can you share your screen and
Yes,
give the
yes.
control to me else?
Yeah. Okay. I'll do that.
Wait, I am requesting the control.
And give and see.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Okay, and this is a recent comment done, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, the circuit used to store 1 bit of data, and this particular is reviewed just now. Rakshita Adiga's comment, okay. And Virendra HV's comment is the question by Teja AP: in computers, subtraction is generally carried out by. The question by Teja AP, and it's of the computer organization question. It is either the 9 complement, 10s, or the 1's complement and the 2's complement.
Okay. Like we can view the comment of Virendra, like he is telling it is carried out by 2's
and
complement.
coming to Virendra HV's comment, his comment is like, it is carried out by 2's complement. 2's complement is a mathematical operation on binary numbers. It is used in computing as a method of signed number representation. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
2's complement is a mathematical operation on binary numbers. It is used in computing as a method of signed number representation.
Okay, like I think he has been quite descriptive. Like we can clap for him. Okay, then we can move on to the next comment, like done by Prajwal, for the question posted by Pooja, and the code is related to the C language. Okay, then we can see the like comment of Prajwal is telling here we define 2 variables num and C and assign the value 5. Okay. Fine. And do while is implemented here. Here first statement execute num is equal to C. After this value of num becomes 0. If condition is num is equal to 0, true. Like 0 is printed. Okay, like C value is decremented by 1. After when we use C, it will become a 4. After this do block will is executed. Okay, and the num is equal to C and C becomes 4. And add to the number and num becomes 4. Has loop continue until it becomes 0. Okay. Yes.
The question by Pooja D, we can ask Pooja D in this, Pooja D is not there. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Fine. Sir, Karthik sir, he had explained well, no sir?
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, sir, his explanation for this question is.
Yes. I already.
Yes, sir. Like we can give a quality bonus for
Yes,
him and
yes,
appreciate for him.
yes.
Like we all expect these kind of explanation for your comment by your own and giving like understand the code flow or theory, anything itself like question. Like try to give in your own way. That gets you a quality bonus. Okay, then we can move on to the next comment done by Kanijashri. Okay, an algorithm that calls itself directly or indirectly is known as. Okay, like we can move on to the Kanijashri's comment like recursion is the answer because it is a function which call itself again and again until function call end by calling that function. Like Stillmore should been given the explanation, right, Tereswini?
Yeah, she could still more explain about the recursion technique and all.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, is
Kanijashri,
Kanijashri
yeah,
this thing she's she's
yeah,
online.
like she is present. Like Kanijashri, I need to suggest you one thing. Like when you are giving your answer, like be like a little bit of descriptive in your answer. Like no need of mentioning only like recursion is the answer. Like go through the above comments, the content which is not present here, you can give that kind of information that helps for the other like participants while they are viewing the comment. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then we can move on to the next comment done by Pooja D. Okay, the question is posted by Nida Fatima. Like, what is the process of converting an expression of a given type into another type in C called? Okay. Like she is explaining the conversion of one data type to another is called as typecasting. It is done in either of two ways. Okay. Like implicit type conversion is done automatically by the compiler without programmers inversions. Okay.
Intervention.
Okay. And she's giving an example here. Okay, like consider the code below, like int x for x is equal to 0, x is less than 10 and x plus plus. If okay, explicitly casting for this. Okay, in this she is telling like it is explicitly converting. Like for this she has given an example right here.
Yeah.
Yes, and the next
representation
one.
of the answer is very good, right, Rashmi?
Yes, she has done a very good commenting. Okay,
like other students, you need to follow this way of answering. This way of answering is especially till now seen by Prajwal, Shashank, and Pooja now. Yeah.
Yes.
Good attempt. Try to answer in this way.
Okay. Then she has explained about explicitly conversion performed by the programmer by posting the data type of a expression of a specific type is known as the explicit type conversion. It is done in the following form. Okay, like she has given example for that also, like data type expression she has given, where data type is an value C, valid C data type, and expression is a constant variable or expression. Thus option A is the right answer, she is telling. Like she has given a good explanation for the question. I can hit a quality bonus and so I can appreciate her by giving a clap. Okay.
As well as the quality bonus. Yeah.
Yes, and we can move on to the next comment done by Pooja itself. Like question is posted by Nida Fatima. Like in C language, an array of string is okay. A string is an array of character which is a 1D array that thus the array of string will be 2D array of characters. We can declare a 2D array of characters. Okay, like she has given an example for that, for the 2D array. Okay, it is important to note that the string will end with the null character. Thus the option B is the right answer. Yes, we need to end with a null character. Okay, option B, 2-dimensional character. Okay. Like she has been quite descriptive, right, Tejaswini?
Yeah, she's quite descriptive. Yeah, good way
yeah,
of
like
presentation.
Pooja, you are doing good in your commenting section. Do follow this, like everyone, it is good. Okay, then we can move on to the Prajwal's comment. Okay, suppose the list contains like 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. What does the list contains if list pop 1 is performed? Okay, like here list contains 5 homogeneous item, list 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. Here we use pop of function here telling, okay, list pop of index will pop the value of the specified index if index is not specified, it will be pop last element. That is, it takes the index has -1. Okay. Okay, if we are not mentioned, it will take as a -1. Yeah. Then here least dot pop function of 1 is mentioned. So 5 is removed from the least. The output will be like okay. Okay, it's telling it is 5 is removed here. Like we are giving like it is 0 index value. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are giving 1, it will be popped up. Okay, like here's telling option he has mentioned. It is also like good explanation he has given.
Yeah.
Okay, we can move on to the next comment done by Lavanya. Yes. Okay, in 12 hours, how many times do the hours and minutes hand what is this? Coincide. Okay. Okay, like she is telling hands of a clock coincide 11 times in every 12 hours. The hands overlap about every 65 minutes, not every 60 minutes. Does the minute hand and the hour hand coincide 22 times in a day? Hence the option like 11 she is telling.
Yeah, okay, go to the question. Yeah, this one, it is right. Answer is right. Like they have asked about 12 hours. No, yeah, it's fine. 11 is answer.
Yes. Okay, like we can appreciate her also, right?
Yeah, you can. It is right answer. Like content also, it's good.
Yes, she has explained in a good manner. Even we can give a quality bonus to her.
Yeah.
Rashmi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll stop for the day now. So
Yes,
I think like Khanija Shri and Ganika, Lokesh and Meghana and Vamashika. So you may have followed the way like how we do the review. So attend these sessions compulsorily for this week, and later on, like in rotation, we will give you opportunity to you also to do the review sessions. So I think we'll end up for the day. Any questions from anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. So fine. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for joining this session. We'll see you tomorrow again at the same time, 7.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Karthik, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll disconnect now, and some discussions are there. Maybe by tomorrow we'll connect it again.
Okay, sir, sure.
Fine, Sindhu. Thank you, Sindhu. Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you, Tejasvi.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Bindya.